Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm doing a quick and easy eyeshadow tutorial using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm starting off with the shade Breakaway. This is the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm just highlighting right underneath the eyebrow. I want that area to be bright, which is why I'm starting off like that. And then I'm taking the Weekender shade. This is the perfect blending transition color, so of course I'm buffing that into the crease and in the outer V, not being precise whatsoever. I'm picking up this shade called Still Shot. This is a really pretty, like, peachy corally color. I love it. It's like one of my favorite colors in this palette. I'm just putting this in my crease and in the outer V, pretty much right on top of Weekender, but I'm not bringing it as far up. I kind of limited myself to the crease and then I just blended everything out. Now I'm taking this really pretty orange. It's called Baja. This is a Sigma E36 maybe, I'm not completely sure, but it's great for the crease because it's so precise, but it's also fluffy, so it will blend out the shade while you're applying it at the same time. It's honestly just a really good brush. If you don't have it, you gotta pick it up. Now I'm taking Punk, which is just like a standard chocolatey brown. This shade was pigmented. It was a little bit dry for my liking. I don't know. Have you guys tried this palette? What do you guys think about this color? It wasn't what I expected. Either way, it's still pretty, but I just I built it up because that's just how I like to do my darker shades, and then of course blended it out with a clean brush. This is a Sigma E25. I don't know, I wasn't as impressed with this shade, I guess you could say. So here I picked up the shade Accelerate, and I decided to put it right in the middle portion of my lid, but also I was trying to blend out that Punk color because it was pretty dark and I wanted my lid to have like a really nice transition. So here I actually picked up Double Life to help me blend out Punk a little bit. Like I mentioned before, this color was just like really pigmented but also really dry. It was kind of hard for me to blend out. I didn't have any issues with any other color, just Punk. I'm not sure why. But now I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. I feel like mixing those two shimmery colors really helped. Here I'm taking Stranded. This is a really pretty gold, guys, and if you were to use it wet, I feel like it would be 10 times prettier. But it worked so well as my like inner corner highlight color. It was so pretty. So now I'm taking Still Shot again just to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow. I wanted Still Shot to kind of pop out a little bit. I love that peachy corally color, so that's what I'm doing here. So I thought I needed to deepen up the look a little bit, at least in the crease. So I picked up Punk again, took that Sigma brush, and just added that right in the crease. And I know you guys might be thinking this is just like a simple, neutral look. Like, why didn't I use anything super colorful? I just wanted to do something super easy with this palette because I've seen a lot of looks with it, and I don't know, nobody did anything like simple and easy that anybody can do. So that's what I'm doing here. I highlighted again with Breakaway, and now I'm going into my concealer. This is the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. I love this concealer so much. I use it in every single video. It's just so good. I mixed two shades, Porcelain and Snow. I'm in between both of them. Like, Snow is way too light, but then Porcelain is just a little bit too dark. So together, I don't know, they just work perfectly. I am setting that with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I'm using Breakaway again to just highlight right in the inner tear ducts, and this isn't going to be like a crazy metallic highlighter shade. This is more on the subtle side. Now I'm picking up Punk and lining my lower lash line super closely to the lower lashes. This is super important in my opinion. Like, I feel like it totally makes the look, so don't neglect your lower lash line. Now I'm taking Ignite, blending out Punk with that, and then I'm going to take Breakaway and line the inner portion of my lower lash line. And then I use false lashes. Sorry guys, I'm practicing for my friend's wedding. I have to put false lashes on, so this is the final look. I just added some mascara to my lower lash line as well. I used the Maybelline Temptation. I'll leave it down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing more looks with this palette, more colorful looks, so definitely stay tuned. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.